we are at HighDesertLabradors, and this is Megan. She is a nearly 6-week-old female Labrador puppy, and we're doing temperament testing on her today. So the first thing we're going to do is put Megan on her back, and we're going to count to 10 to just see how she responds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she's a little bit wiggly. She definitely was looking around at the grass around her and interested in her surroundings, but no real struggle to try to get away. So this is something that is more characteristic of a passive puppy. So now we're going to test for human interaction. So Paige is going to walk away from Megan without saying anything and just see how she responds. So she's super interested in the grass and checking that out, and is completely confident and independent and just kind of checking out the space around her. So now Paige is going to call to Megan and see how she responds with a beckon.
Megan, come here! Come here! Come here!
And she responds right away, even though she got some grass. Paige, go ahead and get that grass out of her mouth. So despite having found something really exciting in the grass, she responded to Paige right away. So now let's just look at how Paige responds with petting and talking and interacting with her that way. And Megan's very interested in the grass, but also interested and happy to receive love from Paige. So now we're going to try the elevation and forgiveness test. We call this the dangle hold. So Paige is just going to hold her off the ground, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Megan is more than happy to just chill out, was not concerned or nervous about being held off the ground, and very trusting of Paige. And lastly, we're going to check and see if Megan has any early retrieving instincts. We're just going to toss the toy just a little bit away from her, show her the toy. And she's more interested in the grass. So it's not unusual for puppies at this age to not have very strong retrieving instincts. Let's show her that toy again. There she goes. So pursuing the toy. Oh, even picked it up. See if she'll